Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to act fast and simple. First, plug the iPhone X into power and wait 5 minutes to rule out a dead battery. Once charging, remove any case and inspect for stuck buttons or debris that could freeze input. Then perform a force restart. Press volume up, release, press volume down, release. Hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This sequence clears most lock screen freezes because it hard reboots the system without erasing data. If the first reboot doesn't help, try the sequence again. Sometimes it takes 2 attempts. If the screen remains frozen, connect to a Mac or PC with Finder or iTunes. Enter recovery mode by repeating the button steps, but keep holding the side button when the Apple logo appears until you see the recovery screen on the computer. Once detected, choose Update to reinstall iOS without erasing data. If update fails, choose Restore. This reinstalls system software and will erase device content, so be prepared for that outcome. Once update or restore completes, follow the on-screen setup and sign into your Apple ID. Then check your iCloud or local backups to restore data. If the phone shows physical damage signs, drops, dents, or water exposure, stop and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store because hardware faults can mimic freezes. Make sure to try DFU mode only if you understand it. DFU is deeper than recovery mode. It can resolve stubborn firmware problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.